good morning, and happy new year to you guys. And thank you very much for tuning into our channel in which we discuss cryptos, forex, equities, and commodities. In this particular video, we really highlight opportunities in terms of risk to reward ratios and where could be those possible entry and exit levels. My name is Naeem Aslam. I come with a wealth of 15 years of trading experience. During this time period, I have worked as a hedge fund trader for Bank of New York Mellon, in equity trading with Bank of America, and currently trading as a chief market analyst for Evertrade. In today's analysis, what we're really looking at, of course, over the weekend, we saw so many different headlines coming in terms of Bitcoin prices crossing the 30,000 price level, then pretty much kissing the 35,000 price level because the prices went all the way to 34,700 approximately. Now we are seeing retracement in Bitcoin prices. Today, the only trend is to the downside. Prices have gone pretty much to 30,200 from its highs of 33,000 approximately. Now, in terms of price levels, what we really wanted to see for Bitcoin price is we want Bitcoin price to stay above one critical price level, and that critical price level is 28,509 which runs all the way to 29,411, and that is where your 50-day simple moving average is as well on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, your 50-day simple moving average is at 21,000, but on an intraday time frame, which is your 4-hour time frame, that is where your 50-day simple moving average is. So we certainly do not want the prices to cross below the 50-day simple moving average on the 4-hour time frame, because if it does that, then that means more serious retracement. But this could be the first test that the price could be making, because right now that the sell-off is quite intense, and then this could be the opportunity that you guys have been waiting for. So if the price stays above the 50-day simple moving average, or if there is a false breakout and the price quickly moves back above the 50-day simple moving average on the 4-hour time frame, that is your massive opportunity. Now, in terms of Ethereum, prices crossed above the 1100 price level for the first time since 2017. The pump started to happen yesterday when the prices moved pretty much from 750 to above 1000 price level, and today we crossed above the 1100 price level, but now prices are retracing, and today's candle looks enormously negative. Now, in terms of Ethereum, what we're really expecting is for the prices to stay above the 876 to 911 price level on the 4-hour time frame. Your 50-day simple moving average is still trading in around 750 price level, which is your next support. So if the price breaks this 870, then the next support is pretty much going to be between 750 to 780 price level, and that could be your entry point. But right now the sell-off is very intense on the 4-hour time frame, and I'm expecting for the prices to return to bounce back from the current price levels, which is about 911 to 876. If that happens, that would be very positive, meaning the prices will continue to move higher from here onwards. In terms of Ripple, that is a very good trade in terms of a risk to reward, because obviously SEC has been after this particular currency. We don't know how the decision is going to be, but we do know Ripple will do whatever it can to hire the best lawyers in the industry. But at the same time, SEC is going to make sure that it is going to make a good example of this by punishing Ripple's XRP, the security, because they deem this as a security. But in terms of a price level, 0.18 or 18 cent was the price when it touched, and right now the price is moved higher. Today the price went up to 0.24, right now trading between 0.23. So if you wanted to put your stop losses at 0.818 cent, then there could be a possible trade. But still, I think Ripple is much more risky trade in comparison to Bitcoin and Ethereum. But in terms of a risk to reward ratio, it is trading towards the bottom. But if the sell-off continues, then we could see Ripple's XRP price even going further lower than 0.18. That's what you want me to keep an eye on. And right now, while we are talking, Ethereum is massively selling once again. The prices have gone to 890. When we started, we were trading at 923. We are in that deep support zone that we were discussing. Now, as for the Dow Jones index, prices are moving higher. The price has pierced the upper level of Bollinger Band, which is very, very positive. That shows that this coronavirus rally is really going to continue to do the upside because of AstraZeneca's optimism. The investors are buying hospitality, tourism, airline sector. All of these stocks are massively trading to the upside, and of course that means Rolls-Royce and Boeing, they are also trading to the upside. And remember the famous saying which says like, which goes like this, that as January if January will finish in positive territory, we will see more gains for the rest of the year. If January turns out to be a negative month, then the rest of the gains, the rest of the year is also going to be more or less on the negative side as well. But of course, it is just a famous saying. It has some backing in terms of a track record, but not enormously. But right now, the opportunity is really in Ethereum, because as I see, the prices are in that support zone, which I just mentioned. All right, folks, that's all from my side today, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.